So to break loose, I got two new bells over here. That means I think I will reach 100 pounds. Or maybe 99 pounds. Or something. This one is wonderful. The second is the smallest handbells over here. The difference between this bell and this other bell, small bells in the boxes over here. Let's test it. This one is the large head bells over here. This one is the large bells here. The difference between the small one and the big one. That in the box. See? Look. This one is C. This one is A. Did you see that? Yep. Bye guys.